As you know, we are doing research on a list of 10 companies, and on this video, we are gonna do that for Catalyst Pharmaceutical, which is based in the US and founded 20 years ago. Now, from the get-go, I should say, this business is outside my circle of competence. If you see words that you cannot even pronounce in what the company does, you should not even consider that company as an investment. I can see so many words here that I don't understand and can't even pronounce. So that would be it, and I would move this to too hard file for myself. But if you understand what they do, who are their competitors, how do they stand against them, and feel you know something that others don't, by all means do your research on them and invest if they are wonderful and fairly priced. The fact that they have been working for 17 years without any kind of revenue tells you all the things you need to know about pharmaceutical businesses. That they need to invest money into the business and dilute shareholders in the hope of someday creating a drug that brings in money, and even then invest the cash back into the business to continue innovating and creating new drugs and stay ahead of competition. Last quarter, they had to reinvest all the cash from operating they have made in the past years back into the business. They have lots of cash and practically no debt, so they are in no danger of going bankrupt, and they can pay all their liabilities using their cash. So this part is safe. It is nice that the co-founder is still running the business as the CEO, but the fact that he has given himself almost 10% of the earnings last year is a negative point for him. So considering their small size and the fact that they can grow really fast, having good margins and return on employed capital, and not having a crazy valuation compared to their current earnings sitting at around 13 PE, they can be a good investment. But not for me. They are way out of my circle of competence, and if they're outside yours too, I would suggest staying far away from it. Rule number one is never lose money, and investing in businesses you do not understand is a guaranteed way of losing money. Hope you learned something watching this video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already, and next watch this playlist with more companies research. Have a great rest of the day and see you on the next one.